Look pan Miss Enid out there hanging up clothes at 6 a.m. sharp. You can always set your clock by that woman. 7:15 a.m. Miss Enid leave the house with 2 market bag. That means she a go town. Look ya now, Miss Claudette out there with she nightgown and her slippers. It is 12 noon. Look upon me set now. Out there hang up her clothes from 6 sharp like clockwork. Me swear the pumpkin a grow backways. Every week me look upon it, it shrink more and more. Lord, Miss Mavis step on the window again like window police. She know everybody business. Busy with everybody business while her man out there playing a her. Fix your yard before you worry about ours.
Busy with everybody business while her husband out there playing her and pet.